Meal prep. It's supposed to save you time, money, and help you eat healthier. But for most people, it's a disaster. Wasted food, boring meals, and by Wednesday you're ordering takeout again. Here's the problem. Most people make the same 5 mistakes. They over-prep, they ignore food safety, they kill variety, and they wonder why meal prep doesn't work. But when you fix these 5 mistakes, meal prep becomes your secret weapon. You eat better, save hours every week, and actually enjoy your food. Today, we're exposing the 5 biggest meal prep mistakes sabotaging your nutrition goals and giving you the exact fixes that make meal prep effortless. Let's get started. Before we show you the 5 mistakes, you need to understand why meal prep fails for most people. It's not you, it's the strategy. Research shows that 60% of people who start meal prepping quit within 3 weeks. Why? They make it too complicated, too boring, or too unsafe. Food safety experts warn that common meal prep mistakes like leaving hot food out, storing cooked and raw foods together, or using the wrong containers can lead to serious food poisoning. But when you meal prep strategically, batch cooking the right components, storing safely and keeping variety, it becomes sustainable. You stick with it, and your health transforms. These 5 fixes will save you over 10 hours every week and make healthy eating automatic. Let's dive in. This is the number 1 mistake: over-prepping. You spend 5 hours on Sunday making 14 meals. By Wednesday, you're sick of eating the same thing. By Friday, half of it's spoiled. Over-prepping leads to food boredom, waste, and burnout. Nutritionists call this prep fatigue. You quit meal prep entirely because it feels like a chore. The fix? Prep for 2 to 3 days max, not the entire week. This keeps food fresh and prevents boredom. Better yet, batch cook components, not complete meals. Cook proteins like chicken or tofu. Roast vegetables. Make a grain. Then mix and match throughout the week for variety. Monday, chicken with quinoa and broccoli. Tuesday, same chicken in a wrap with different veggies. Wednesday, same quinoa in a Buddha bowl. Same prep. Endless combinations. Mistake number 2 is dangerous: ignoring food safety rules. This isn't just about taste. This is about not getting sick. Food safety experts call 40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit the danger zone. Bacteria like Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria multiply rapidly in this temperature range. One of the most dangerous mistakes? Leaving cooked rice out to cool slowly. Rice harbors Bacillus cereus bacteria, which reheating won't kill. You must refrigerate rice within 1 hour. The fix has 3 parts. 1. Cool food fast. Divide hot food into shallow containers and refrigerate within 2 hours. 1 hour for rice. 2. Store raw meat on the bottom shelf to prevent cross-contamination. 3. Use glass or BPA-free plastic containers. Many plastics leach harmful chemicals into food, especially when heated. Glass is safest. If you use plastic, choose BPA-free containers marked with recycling codes 2, 4, or 5. Never microwave in plastic. Mistake 3. Zero variety. The classic chicken, rice, and broccoli 5 days in a row. Yes, it's simple, but it's also soul-crushing. Nutritionists warn that lack of variety doesn't just kill motivation, it limits your nutrient intake. Different foods provide different vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Repetition means nutritional gaps. Your body needs diversity. Salmon provides omega-3s chicken doesn't have. Sweet potatoes have vitamin A broccoli lacks. Variety isn't just about taste, it's about health. The fix: rotate proteins and vegetables. Week 1, chicken and broccoli. Week 2, salmon and asparagus. Week 3, tofu and bell peppers. Same simple prep, totally different meals. 3 proteins times 3 vegetables equals 9 meal combinations. Add different sauces: tahini, peanut, chimichurri, and you've got weeks of variety from the same basic strategy. Mistake 4. Not prepping snacks. You nail breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But at 3 p.m., hunger hits, and you're at the vending machine buying chips. Snacks play a critical role in maintaining energy, controlling hunger, and preventing overeating at meals. But most people only prep main meals and ignore snacks entirely. The fix? Batch prep high-protein snacks. Hard-boiled eggs last a week. Greek yogurt parfaits in jars stay fresh for 3 days. Pre-cut veggies with hummus or grab and go. Trail mix portioned into bags travels anywhere. When you prep 3 snack options, you're covered all week. No cravings, no vending machines, no derailed progress. Snacks aren't optional. They're part of the strategy. Prep them like meals. The final mistake: Unrealistic expectations. You see Instagram influencers prepping 30 perfect meals. You try to replicate it, you fail, you quit. Meal prep doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to look like social media. It just has to work for you. The fix? Start small and scale up. Week 1. Just prep breakfast. Week 2. Add lunch. Week 3. Add snacks. Build the habit gradually. You don't need to prep every meal for a month. You need to prep what fits your life. Maybe it's just lunches. Maybe it's only proteins. That's still winning. Done is better than perfect. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Let's recap. 5 meal prep mistakes sabotaging your results and the exact fixes. Stop over-prepping. Respect food safety. Add variety. Prep snacks. Start small. That's it. You just fixed meal prep. Meal prep isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. It's about making healthy eating automatic so you can focus on everything else in your life. So here's my question. Which of these 5 mistakes have you been making? Drop a comment and let me know. Number 1, number 5, all of them. You're not alone. This is Fit Foodie Essentials, helping you build a stronger, healthier life through smarter nutrition strategies. If this saved your meal prep game, hit that like button and subscribe for more real food hacks. Now that you've fixed your prep, learn how to build quick, healthy breakfasts with our 5-minute breakfast hacks next. Stay smart.